What's good for hot flashes with insomnia at night? Darkest brown, hot flashes. Okay. Ideally, so there are some natural things you can get. You can go to a place like the Vitamin Shop or GNC, and they can give you some. Just tell them what your symptoms are. There are plant-based, what are called phytoestrogens that can relieve those symptoms. Those are all from low estrogen, and the hot flashes, the sweats, the insomnia, all of those things. But ideally, you would benefit greatly from bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT. BHRT is a state of the art to treat this clinically. Dr. Collier performs BHRT in his office. I have patients that fly from around the country to get this. And what this is a customized treatment plan that optimizes your neurohormonal status. It makes you the best you that you can be. We analyze what your deficits are as far as your hormones are concerned, replace and or treat with replacement hormones. It literally puts you back to where you were when you're in your 20s and 30s. It is the fountain of youth and immediate relief of those symptoms that is long lasting and sustaining for women on bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. It increases your libido, makes it go through the roof, so you have desire to have sex. It makes your vagina thick. It makes your vagina moist. It makes your vagina receptive for intercourse. Takes away hot flashes, insomnia, increases your muscle mass, decreases your body fat, improves things like sleep, anxiety, depression, makes you the pleasant, sweet person that you were before you started going through menopause or perimenopausal. And so the objective is to keep you that way soft and sweet. So bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT, we perform that service at Aegis Atlanta here at my office, but you can Google it and say bioidentical hormone replacement therapy in my area and see if you can find a provider that does that.